Hi everybody and welcome to iStore Meets. My name is Demi and I'm the Program Manager for Coding at iStore Education. In today's session, I'm going to share with you why iPad is the best tool for teaching and learning. iStore Education is here to support teachers to implement the best practice when using iPad in your classroom. So let's look at what we'll cover today. By the end of today's session, you would have learned how to use iPad and third-party apps to support your students' handwriting skills and letter formation. I'll also share top tips when using an Apple Pencil. So let's get started. Handwriting lessons is an essential part of our students' development. Research shows that correct letter formation leads to an established and a flowing handwriting in the later years. Handwriting lessons can take on a new dimension with iPad's built-in features and third-party apps, and this will also help your students get excited and engaged in handwriting skills. So let's look at how this works. Open the Notes app and tap on the three dots in the top right corner to set up your document. Select Lines and Grids and choose from the various thickness to help guide your letter formation. You can then tap on the pencil icon in the top right corner and this will display your digital toolbox. In your toolbox, you can select from pens, highlighters, pencils, and even paint brushes. And then using the selected tool right on your screen. Apart from the amazing Notes app, some of our recommended third-party apps to enhance your students' handwriting skills includes ABC Handwriting Practice and Handwriting Practice. Apple Pencil can be used for filling in text fields, setting reminders, making notes, and so much more. This is brilliant news for anyone who doesn't like to fiddle with the on-screen keyboard. With Scribble, there is so many features. So let's have a look at what Scribble can do. So in the Notes app, if you've created dates, phone numbers, or even email addresses, you'll notice that with text recognition, these texts are underlined for you. By tapping and holding on the underlined text of a date, I can create an event, set a reminder, or even show this date in my calendar. With phone numbers, I can easily start FaceTime audio calls or even add this number to a contact list. So let's look at setting up Scribble. If I head into my Settings app and scroll down on the left-hand side to Apple Pencil, I'll see about halfway through my screen that Scribble is turned on. Make sure it's on so that this works. I can then go and try it and see all the amazing things that I can do, like use handwriting in any text area to convert it into your typed text. Have a look as I write my first word. It seamlessly recognizes my handwritten text and converts it into typed text. I can even delete words by quickly scratching them off using my Apple Pencil. I can do so much more, like select a set of words by drawing a line over it, or by even circling a word. I can select it and get more options. I can go on and insert words in the middle of sentences. And I can do this by just tapping and holding where I want the new word to appear and then writing in the additional text. And lastly, if I want to separate or join words, I can do this by drawing a vertical line before or after any character. This will separate any of the words or it will join them together again. Scribble is amazing and it works across any of the apps on your iPad. And that's handwriting on iPad with Apple Pencil. Thank you for joining me today. Please remember to like this video and hit that subscribe button to stay updated for when we post new videos. Until next time, bye.